ZWILLING Vacuum Sealer Starter Set keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer. This system uses a one-touch pump to remove air, locking in flavor and preventing waste. Meal prep healthy lunches or store leftovers that won't turn soggy. The set includes a large container, reusable bags, and a quiet, rechargeable pump. Fresh and Save is perfect for storing, marinating, and even sous vide cooking. Save time, money, and enjoy fresher food for longer. The XINTOU 3D Flower of Life Crystal Ball is a unique and captivating way to bring the universe into your home. Unlike flat depictions, this crystal ball features a stunning 3D laser-engraved Flower of Life symbol, visible from any angle. Made from flawless K9 crystal, it comes with a colorful LED base that creates an mesmerizing ambiance. This beautiful piece is a perfect conversation starter and a thoughtful gift for any occasion. The Heyjar fruit and vegetable washing machine uses hydroxy water ion purification technology to clean fruits, veggies, seafood, meat, and tableware. It eliminates over 99% of harmful residues and extends shelf life. Simply add water, your produce, and the Heyjar to a bowl for a 10-minute cleaning cycle. Rechargeable and portable, this washer is perfect for home or travel. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food is truly clean with the Heyjar. The FLEXTAILGEAR MP2 Pro is a powerful and portable air pump that inflates quickly with 2 pressure modes, up to 4.5 kPa. It also has a built-in LED light and can even charge your phone. The 3600 mAh battery lasts up to 60 minutes on low-pressure mode and is easily rechargeable with a Type-C port. Ultra-lightweight and weatherproof, the MP2 Pro comes with 5 nozzles for inflating air mattresses, pool toys, and more. Let's pump some life into your adventures with the MP2 Pro. Traveling with your dog just got easier with the SlowTon Dog Seatbelt. This 2-in-1 restraint system offers double the security with a headrest tether and leash clip. Made with durable nylon and featuring a bungee buffer for shock absorption, it keeps your pup safe during car rides. Adjustable from 20 to 27 inches, the leash ensures a comfortable fit for all dog sizes. Plus, reflective stitching provides nighttime visibility. Ensure a smooth ride for both you and your furry friend with the SlowTon Dog Seatbelt.
Oh my God.
The Northern Galaxy Light Aurora projector with 33 light effects transforms any room into a starry wonderland. Project dazzling auroras and swirling nebulas while relaxing to built-in white noise sounds or your favorite music via Bluetooth speaker. This versatile projector features 33 lighting effects, adjustable brightness and flow speed, and a remote control for effortless operation. Create a calming and magical atmosphere, night after night. The KINGLER 20-in-1 laptop screen keyboard cleaner kit tackles dirt and grime on all your electronics. From keyboards and earbuds to cameras and game consoles, this kit has the tools to clean every nook and cranny. With keycap pullers, brushes, cloths, and air blowers, you can banish dust bunnies, fingerprints, and earwax for good. PETLIBRO Interactive Cat Toy. This automatic mouse toy features a colorful light strip and obstacle avoidance to keep your cat engaged. Adjustable speeds cater to different play styles, while the built-in rest periods ensure your kitty doesn't get overstimulated. USB rechargeable and multi-surface friendly, the PETLIBRO Interactive Cat Toy provides endless entertainment for your furry friend. The BEZGAR 4WD RC crawler truck is a double-sided RC car that flips itself when overturned. Featuring a transforming bionic spine, it goes from off-road conqueror to on-road cruiser with a single button. This 4WD beast tackles any terrain with its waterproof body and dual motors. The BEZGAR is the ultimate RC gift for kids aged 6 and up, ready for hours of racing fun. Cechlicht Volcano Diffuser. This ultrasonic diffuser uses essential oils and water to create a refreshing mist that fills rooms up to 35 square meters. Choose between flame or volcano mist effects and customize the ambiance with 2 light colors. The remote control allows for easy adjustment of mist, light, and timer settings, while the 300 milliliter water tank ensures long-lasting use. The KMMOTORS Car Fan is a compact USB-powered fan that keeps you cool on the go. This modern fan features 3 speeds and an oscillation option for customized comfort. It easily clips to your dashboard or visor and plugs into any USB port, making it perfect for road trips, commutes, or errands. If you're interested in buying any of the gadgets I reviewed today, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching!